Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the highest quality source and creating a duplicate layer so you never lose the original. Once done, confirm the document color profile, sRGB for web or rec, 709 for video, because correction depends on that reference. Make sure to enable the histogram and soft proofing to watch for clipping. These guides tell you whether you're crushing shadows or blowing highlights. Now open the Color Corrector interface and pick the neutral eyedropper as your first active tool. You use the neutral eyedropper on an area that should be neutral gray to establish accurate white balance. This fixes large color casts quickly. Next, adjust exposure and contrast to place the image within a useful tonal window, then set midtone gain to preserve skin tones. Once base luminance is stable, use lift/gamma/gain or shadows/mids/highlights controls to refine blacks, mids, and whites. These primary moves prevent later hue shifts from producing unnatural results, so work incrementally and watch the histogram. You now refine with secondary tools. Create masks or use HSL qualifiers to isolate skin, skies, or highlights and correct them without affecting the whole image. When matching multiple shots, compare scopes side by side and nudge white balance or saturation until waveforms align. Apply a gentle LUT only after primary and secondary corrections. Finally, export with the intended color profile and resolution. If colors look wrong, check for clipping, mismatched profiles, or excessive saturation. Restore the duplicate layer and backtrack those specific adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.